Good morning, everybody. I am going to send you several videos for lesson 4-8. I am in a coffee shop, so the circumstances are less than perfect, but I think it will work. So let's get going. If you will open your book to page 273, and we will start at the top by looking at the isosceles triangle. Recall that an isosceles triangle has at least two congruent sides. So for our purposes, most of the time we're going to be looking at a triangle that has exactly two congruent sides. With those two congruent sides, that triangle is also going to have two congruent angles. The angles that are across or opposite each side. So this angle is opposite this side, and this angle is opposite this side. Those two angles are going to be the congruent angles. They're also called the base angles, as you can see as I turn my phone. Base angle there and base angle there, because they are the two angles that surround the base. The base is decided in that it is the side that is opposite the vertex angle. The vertex angle is the angle that is formed by the two congruent legs of the triangle. So let's run back through that quickly. We have an isosceles triangle made up of two congruent sides. Those two congruent sides form a vertex angle. That vertex angle is opposite the base, opposite or across from the base, and the base is surrounded by two base angles which happen to be congruent because they are opposite or across from the two congruent sides. I realize you're getting my pen and its shadow. Actually, in this case, two of its shadows, which is a little odd. So focus on the actual pen. So we have two congruent angles across from two congruent sides. But remember, an isosceles triangle is defined by its two congruent sides, or at least two congruent sides. So this is our first video. I'll end there as a foundation and then pick up with the second video.